basic e-commerce website cost? Well, I don't know what a basic e-commerce website is. There are so many options available. For example, do you want your website to be responsive, which means that it will reshape itself to fit smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktop computers? How about being able to add an unlimited number of products? Would that be helpful to you? Or would you like to add products by importing a spreadsheet? Maybe you have hundreds or thousands of products and you don't want to add them one at a time. We could set it up where you import by a spreadsheet. What about changing prices globally based on a certain product type? For example, if you're selling apparel and all the shoes went up by 10%, we could make a website with a function in it where you could raise by 10% or any percentage amount just the shoes and no other products. How about keeping track of inventory? Would that be helpful? What if you were down to 5 more of a certain item left? Would it help you if the website emailed you to let you know that you're low on that item? That's something we could build into the website. What about if you run out of inventory on a certain item? Would you want the website to just remove that item? Or would you want it to show temporarily out of stock? Or maybe say, we're out of stock, but look at these other items you might be interested in. All of these are options, and they're all possibilities that we could create. What if someone buys, let's say you're selling apparel, they buy a pair of shorts. Would you want to show them shirts? That might look good with that, and maybe sandals. We can do that as well. Should people be able to give reviews of the products that are for sale on your website? What about if someone writes bad reviews? Would you want to be able to remove those? How about the Facebook like button or the Google Plus button? Should we include that next to every product? How about shipping? Shipping can get pretty involved. We could set up your website to use UPS, FedEx, or US Post Office shipping and get the rates directly from them so it's never out of date. But what about if you sell small products and they're lightweight and many of them would fit in a box, and sometimes people will order many of them? Now what do? Do we set up a system where we actually calculate the weight and size of each item and how many can fit into the box? We can do that. They're all possibilities. What if they're expensive items like jewelry? How will we calculate insurance? Will it be a flat fee for the insurance, or will it actually be based on the purchase price? We can do that too. What about perishables that have to go next day air? This is something that came up with us on websites selling chocolates and on another one selling caviar. Suppose you're selling perishables and someone orders at 4 o'clock on a Thursday by next day air. Well, maybe you finished all your shipping by 4 o'clock on a Thursday. So now it's too late. Now what do? Do you accept the order? How about if we make the website look at the time of day when the order comes in, and when they reach a certain time, let's say 4 o'clock on a Thursday, now the buyer is given an option. And it might say, we see you want this delivered by next day air. Our shipping has already gone out for today. We could ship it on Friday to arrive Saturday at this price, or we could ship it on Monday to arrive Tuesday at this price, because shipping on Friday to arrive Monday defeats the purpose when it's a perishable product. We can't let it sit in a warehouse over the weekend. So these are all possibilities that have to be considered, and there are many more depending on the products you'll be selling on your e-commerce website.